The committee will come to order, and without objection, the chair is authorized to declare recesses of the committee at any time. And before we begin, Secretary Raimondo has informed us that she has only 2 hours available for this hearing. So in the interest of time, Ranking Member Lofgren and I are limiting ourselves to very brief opening statements, and we're asking the Secretary to do the same. Additionally, to give as many members as possible a chance to ask questions, and in concurrence with Ranking Member, I ask unanimous consent to limit each member's Q&A to 4 minutes without objection. So ordered. I would also like to request unanimous consent to submit 2 statements for the record. The first is from Chairman Lucas, who cannot be with us here today. As you know, he has had a terrible accident with a bull. He's a rancher, and he is recuperating. We look forward to his return soon and to his leadership, because his leadership is dearly missed. The second is a full opening statement from myself. Without objection, we will enter that. So I'll recognize myself for 1 minute for an opening statement. So I would say welcome to the Science, Space, and Technology Committee's first oversight hearing on the CHIPS for America program. Secretary Raimondo, we appreciate your willingness to testify today. Thank you for being here. I understand you were in traffic. I'm sorry to hear that. That's not a rare occurrence. But your last minute notice that you were only able to dedicate 2 hours of your time to discussing a $50 billion program is frustrating, to say the least, to the members of this committee who have a responsibility to oversee your use of these taxpayer dollars and ensure that the program is a success. I hope that you will at least commit to meeting in person with any members of this committee, whether Republican or Democrat, who are not able to ask the questions that they prepared for this hearing. And I hope that despite our time constraints, that we'll be able to have a productive discussion today. Congress funded the CHIPS program to bolster national security and to ensure that semiconductors can be produced here in the United States in a cost-competitive way. But the policies advanced by this administration during implementation have been criticized for driving up the cost of doing business. So I expect that to be a strong topic of discussion today, along with guardrails to protect our investments from benefiting our adversaries. I look forward to the dialogue that we will have today, and I look forward to hearing more about the near-term future of the CHIPS program directly from the Secretary. So thank you, Secretary Raimondo, for taking the time to join us today. So I would like to now recognize the ranking member, gentlewoman from California, for an opening statement.
Thank you.